Okey, rare ni Cikgu Rashid. Dia Tuan Ishan tanya futures Brand March 22. Boleh ke Cikgu? Pasal
Okey,
first time
sebab
ni
saya
ada yang request.
ini sebenarnya oil. Saya rasa dia ambil direct daripada exam punya ni, tanya pasal ni. Tapi kita nevertheless kita tengok apa, kita punya US oil lah, because actually it's a pretty much similar move. Okay, ini yang semalam kita ada saya ada bagi tahu oil move also quite interesting. Okay, last couple of days ataupun last couple of weeks, daripada 66 ke? Yeah, around 66. Yes, I remember this big round number 66. Dia dah almost attempting $80 dekat sini. Okay, so this is the move. Market they rebound and then they pergi dekat 75 and then a bit of a correction and then now it's attempting $80. So market is actually now projecting to go higher. Okay, so this is something we don't want, ataupun market don't want, because it's not so good for orang kata overall economic recovery. Okay, so that's why I think the oil price will be a bit suppressed. Okay, from 80 level. Sebab tu kita nampak ada a bit of a rejection daripada this 80 level. Okay, so I think market will try to suppress oil price. That's why OPEC Plus and of course siapa tu Biden really don't want oil price to go up, so he will do whatever it takes untuk convince. I think about 2 months ago he even asked Japan and few countries untuk apa ya kita panggil apa special petroleum reserve ke apa. Okay, and even Japan actually follow Biden punya request, and the few countries, even US itself went into this reserve untuk suppress oil price. Okay, dekat somewhere dekat sini. I think yeah, it happened somewhere dekat sini, and then that's why the oil price was a bit of dropping. Then after that they push balik sebab they cannot suppress too much. Then OPEC also didn't increase the production, so oil price came back again. So sekarang ni dia below dekat 80. If you ask me, I would say 80 is a critical level at this point. Sebab anything kalau dia breach again, then it will not be so good for even for Biden punya political mileage. Everything he wants to talk about, good thing about the first year presidency. Okay, so I think 80 will be the limit at this point. Okay, so market will of course try to break this level, but I think it will come back again to 74 ataupun 73, something like this, and probably sideways for some time. Sebab I think they don't want to because the moment they breach this 80 punya level, okay, it will open up some more a few other levels. Sebab kalau tengok kat sini, of course kat sini is only 85. Okay, that will be the level, but previously, okay, I think 1900. Okay, so this they don't want to expose go up to 100 punya level and 120 punya level, because this will be quite not so good. This is where then Japanese yen, everything will become orang kata kuat, because this will be more moving towards the economic recession punya zone. Okay, so that's why this 80 will become like a minus resistance. 85, 90, okay, should be like a major resistance. So even kalau they breach 80 pun, I think dekat 85 there will be some kind of rejection. Okay, sebab they don't want to let oil price to break out this zone. So once they break out this zone, I think the next level will be 100. Okay, and zone ni is not so good for overall economic recovery untuk semua negara. Okay, so with that, I would say oil will probably bit of a rejection and sideways for some time. Okay, until tiba-tiba isu geopolitical ataupun OPEC Plus comes in, then it might push the price up, but nobody wants the price to break 80, 85, 90. These three level, dia macam tiga major resistance at this point. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk oil. Okey, next kita ada permintaan daripada Cik